first impressions dishing dirt with you. Knew I'd be putting work in since I flirted with you. True, I'm chasing them skirts, but they ain't perfect as you. And spend my life, no one ever seen as worth it as you. But you be swerving with these worthless niggas chirping at you. Where did you been around the world and put a hurting on you? And I can't tell you what to do, but one thing's certainly true. You still my main squeeze and I ain't ever murking on you. Girl, I'm with you. No, I'm with 365, 10 deep. You got me dreaming, mumbling shit in my sleep. Swear if my wife you on the cheap, I ain't never gon' creep. You bring me ecstasy and grief, everything in between. Girl, I'm with you. Pursuing you since my teens. Now I'm a grown man juggling schemes, wasting my life chasing you. Breakups to back on. I'm sick of pouring out my heart every time, bitch. I'm gone, man. I tried, man.
When girl, we got the face react.
Out on the street, I always bump into you. I see some lame duck huffing, body fucking with you. Nowadays, even chicks kissing, rubbing on you. Seem like everybody out here got something with you. I still get up in it too. A whole bunch touched it before, but still you my first true. New jacks hit it too rough and act tough with you too. Drag your name through the dirt. Why you stuck on these fools? They just abuse and clock money off you. Pimp you out and sell your ass, girl. They frontin' on you. It's fucked up 'cause no bra never had nothing on you. You the perfect and the best of all of them put together is you. I'm through but not before one last rendezvous with you. I beat it up or break right after I rap with you. This love-hate shit ain't never gonna stop with you. Shit, who I'm kidding, I ain't gonna ever break up with you.
I be your mirror, reflect what you are, in case you don't know. I be the wind, the rain and the sunset, the light on your door, to show that you're home. When you think the night has in your mind, that inside you're twisted and unkind. Let me stand to show that you are blind. Please put down your hands, 'cause I see you. I find it hard to believe you don't know the beauty you are, but if you don't, let me be your eyes, a hand to your darkness, so you won't be afraid. When you think the night has in your mind, that inside you're twisted and unkind. Let me stand to show that you are blind. Please put down your hands, 'cause I see you. I be your mirror, I be your mirror.
Loving you makes me wanna spill my heart and soul. Loving you makes me wanna tell you things you've never been told. Loving you makes me wanna write bad poetry. Loving you makes me wanna waste my time. So tell me, what's it gonna take to change your mind?